How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch any web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome, and head towards a new tab. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in bestbuy.com. Press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you log into your account. Now you can simply add the items you want to buy to your cart and tap the cart icon at top right corner. And then you need to proceed to checkout by simply tapping on checkout button. Now you need to select your pickup method. And after that you need to continue to payment. Under payment method or option, you need to select use a Best Buy gift card, enter your gift card number and PIN, and then you need to tap apply. Complete the checkout and your gift card will be used by doing this process. So that's it. If this was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.